Are you having problems with your Shopify store being way too slow? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into Shopify and then log into my Shopify account. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Shopify account right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is to simply click where it says apps. And as you can see, I do have this app right here. It says installed apps, Booster Page Speed Optimizer. I would actually recommend you to use this app as well because it's really easy to use. I'm just going to click on this app right here just to demonstrate. You will, after you have actually downloaded this app on the Shopify like app section, then you will get to this page right here on the app. So I'm just going to scroll down, and as you can see, it says like this: improve the speed of your store and increase conversion by switching this on. So I'm just going to switch this one on right now. And basically what happens now is that your store is now faster, as you can see, it says. So basically you can now go into your store again and then check your speed, because hopefully this app will actually fix this issue for you. So basically this is exactly how to fix your store being way too slow on Shopify. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.